Great tips and strategies on affiliate marketing. You've decided to improve the affiliate marketing of your website. That's great news. However, there is a ton of information that may confuse you on where to begin. No worries, here are some affiliate marketing tips. Listed are some tips that will help you get started and organized so that you can become an affiliate marketing expert. Gaining trust is an important factor to consider for successful affiliate marketing. One way to foster trust is to show a passion for your product. The more personality and excitement you show, the easier it will be to build a trusted following. Building something of a relationship with your visitors now will only boost your link potential in the future. You can put your customers in a buying mood by telling them all about the advantages of the product. Do not simply mention the product or post pictures of it. Explain why you love it and how it has changed your life. Convince them that they need this product before directing them to the page where they can buy it. When creating links as part of an affiliate marketing program, pay attention to your underperforming links and videos. If after about 200 clicks you have not seen a single sale, remove that link. That link is just sitting there costing you money and will not provide a return on your investment. Affiliate marketing arrangements are most successful when they speak to your own personal interests. Seek out affiliates and advertisers whose products and services appeal to you personally. A salesman who genuinely believes in his product is always the most convincing salesman. By associating with partners that provide services you like, you can ensure that you will be enthusiastic and trustworthy in promoting them. You should feel better after watching those tips when it comes to affiliate marketing. It is a lot to think about, but at least you should have an idea of what to do and where to begin with the affiliate marketing of your site. In addition, you can always revisit this list if you need to. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.